rooftop.
Good morning, guys. I refuse to believe this is happening. I'm getting ready for school right now. This is my first day of my spring semester, which is actually my last spring semester because I will graduate in the fall. I normally would never wear this much makeup to school. Like, I wouldn't even wear makeup to class, but I have to take a picture before class really fast. My sister's coming over. I have a post that I need to do for a brand, which I'm really excited about. So if you guys want to see that, follow my Instagram. It's just Kenzie Borowski. I'm very nasally today. But yeah, I'm about to do my hair because I slept with it wet, so it's just like this weird wavy mess. I don't know. Right now Shelly's coming over. She's bringing me coffee. It's like 9 a.m. My class starts at 10, so I should probably be out of here in like 40-ish minutes. I just got out of my class and I'm so excited semester. I just really need at least one more class. And then I'll be like so over the moon happy. But for my actual one in-person class that I have, which is today, it starts at 10, which isn't early and it isn't that late, and we got out super early. We got out like an hour earlier than we're supposed to. I walk in and I see, for the first time ever in like any of my schooling, I walk in and see like someone that I'm actually like friends with, and we had a class last semester together, and it was my public speaking class, and there was somebody who was sitting next to her too that was also from that class, and that class was insane. Like, it was just crazy. The professor was like an actor, so like he was crazy, and it was really fun, but like it brought all of the students together because we were just like, this is crazy. So I'm so excited and so happy, and that kind of stuff, seeing like that you have friends in class or like group work, I think really motivates me to actually go to the class because I don't want to let people down, and I like actually want to see my friends. So I'm just really happy. I'm gonna go grab food because it is almost 11 and I'm really hungry and I'm really craving Subway. So that's what I'm gonna go get, and I'm gonna go home and work on the picture that I took this morning. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning. She's just super needy, and wherever I am she wants to be, which is really cute, but sometimes she also gets really sick of me, and then she can be really annoying. It's the first week of school, and like I said, I'm taking all online classes, so I really have to figure out like a schedule and manage my time perfectly, which I haven't done yet. I actually don't even have a school planner, so that is what I'm going to do within the hour. I need to go to Target and grab some notebooks for the semester, just a few because I have some already. As you guys know, I only have 4 set in stone right now, and I'm trying to get at least 5. I really want 6, so that's what my day consists of. And then I'm gonna do some work, maybe a week of one class. I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but okay, guys, it is now like almost 2:30 and I beat my face. I haven't wanted to do my makeup in a really long time, and today I just had like all the time in the world basically, and I was just like, I'm just gonna sit down and take a really long time to do my makeup, and I love how it turned out. I tried a new foundation. It's the Wet n Wild one that everybody's talking about, and my shade is a little dark for me, so I mixed it with my Makeup Forever HD foundation, and I love it. Like, it makes my skin look so smooth. I just got it at Target, and I needed to get the planner like I was talking about. This is the planner that I ended up getting. It literally matches. I have like a big version of this. It matches that one, except for this one's white, and I love planners. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go home and start to plan out my week for school and stuff, and this is just gonna be like mainly my school planner. I got a pencil sharpener, which is so random, but I don't have one and I use pencils a lot, so I need one of those. I got some batteries for my desktop mouse, and then I also got these little binder clips because the pictures that I have hanging around my bed, those clothespins are like really cheap. I think I got them at like Michael's. I don't have enough of them anymore. I don't know where they went. So I'm just gonna try binder clips, and they're really cute. They're not like weird binder clips, but they have like different designs and colors on them. Hi guys, hello. It is Friday. No, it's not. It's Thursday. It's Thursday, and it's like almost 4 p.m. I've basically just been doing my schoolwork all freaking day. I actually did leave the house once Me and Bailey went to the Starbucks on my campus and we studied there, and I did some homework. Not as much as I wanted because I realized I need to order a lot of my books before I can do my homework, which is really bad. I don't know. Books are just expensive. Right now I'm planning out my February, which is in like a week-ish. February starts. What day is today? February does not start next week. Because I'm taking mainly online classes, I really need to be organized this semester, so I'm planning super ahead. Also, February, I'm traveling for most of the month. I think I'm home for a total of 12 days, less than half of the month. I'm just traveling a lot to a lot of different places. I go to Connecticut in the beginning of the month. Tori's birthday is that weekend, and then her sister turns 21 this month actually, like in a couple days. So we're gonna celebrate her 21st birthday. We're gonna celebrate her birthday at a casino in Connecticut. I've never actually gambled, really. I've been to casinos in Vegas, but I was underage, so I couldn't really participate in them. So I don't think I'll gamble that much because I don't really like gambling, so I'm not sure if I'm like actually gonna gamble that much, but we're gonna have a lot of fun. And I'll vlog it, of course. And I also go to Dallas for almost a week. I'm seeing my brother who is stationed down there. He's having surgery, so he needs my help, so I'll also vlog that. If you guys are OG subscribers, you know my brother Cameron. He hasn't lived with us for like 2 years because he's in the Marines. He was a fan favorite, so I'm going to vlog that trip, which will be really fun. You guys will get to see him and what he's up to, and he has a really cute puppy named Blue, so I'm excited to meet his puppy. Oh, and then what else? And then towards the end of the month, I go to LA, and I'm really excited. I will see Remy for a little bit. I will see Monica and Shelby for, oh, I don't know if I'll see Monica. I'll see Shelby for a little bit for sure. And then my dad is actually gonna be in California, which is gonna be so random. My whole family is accidentally going to California at the same time. My dad will be there, so I haven't seen my dad since October, and that'll be really fun. And the beginning of March, I go to Chicago, so like literally the next month and a half, I'm not gonna be home. The whole point of me telling you guys this is that I really have to plan out my weeks and my months for personal life, YouTube life, and school life for the rest of my semester, I think. Let me know what you guys think and what videos you guys wanna see. I'm really gonna try to do more college-based videos because a lot of my demo is college students. So if you guys have any college videos you guys want to see from me, like morning routines or get ready with me's or day in the life. I love doing college day, or it would be like week in the life, college week in the lives, which this is that. So if you guys liked this, I really didn't get to do that much college stuff in this video because college just started, so yeah, but I hope you guys like this. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm just gonna go to work in a little bit. And I get a lot of questions on where I work, and I don't like to say where exactly I work, but I do work at a bar. It's really fun. It's so different from what I've ever done. A lot of people ask me why I do it because I do make money off of YouTube as well. A, student loans, and I don't make that much off of YouTube. B, it's fun. I made a lot of friends already, and C, it's just like experience. Or I've never worked in a restaurant business before, and me being like a marketing major, I feel like I should get as much experience in every field as possible so that I can know how to market or manage a business correctly. So yeah, school, experience, work. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys on Tuesday for a new video. Bye!
She loves control. She wants to